Hear ye, hear ye! It's another Roof Right Minute!
An ice dam is a wall of ice on the edge of your roof, and it's a big problem. Warm air leaking from your attic melts the snow, which runs down the roof and then refreezes at the cold overhang. This buildup prevents proper water drainage. The trapped water then pools up, gets under your shingles, and causes major water damage inside your home. To solve this completely, you have to address the root causes, one of which is poor attic insulation. Ice dams are a sign that your home's heat is escaping through the roof. Proper attic insulation keeps the heat inside your home where it belongs, preventing the snow from melting unevenly and forming ice dams in the first place. Roof Right offers professional blown-in attic insulation services. Contact us today for a permanent solution and stop those ice dams for good. For more information, visit roofright.com.